Hey guys, some days back I wrote this article building agentic systems and LLM applications the right way. And I saw a lot of people asking and interacting with this article. So I thought I should explain this article and the intent behind writing this article. So I wanted people to understand what is an AI agent, agentic applications, and how to build LLM powered applications the easy way. So I started with understanding, like explaining what are AI agents, right? So the AI agent market is predicted to grow like 45% annually, reaching 47 billion worldwide in by 2030. And also Microsoft CEO Satya has even suggested that the agentic applications could replace traditional SaaS, like many people are explaining now the SaaS kind of applications or the SaaS ecosystem is kind of dying because of all the advancements that are happening in the AI space. So I explained what is an AI agent and how does it work, and then I explained many people have this confusion between LLM agents and the LLM workflows. So I explained that, right? When it comes to agentic solutions, we talk about agents and workflows. So LLM agents and workflows differ conceptually and also operationally. So as you can see, LLM workflows are predefined, right? Static processes designed to perform specific and linear tasks, whereas the LLM agents stand apart due to their ability to reason, adapt, and refine their actions in response to the changing environments and complex goals. So they are kind of dynamic, so they adopt easily, right? So this distinction underscores the versatility and intelligence that define LLM agents as compared to traditional LLM workflows. And also, I explained what are multi AI agent systems, how autonomous AI agents, different AI agents come together to solve a very complex problem uh, uh, or any task. So, multi-agent systems represent a significant advancement in the field of AI. We all know that. So, these systems consist of various autonomous AI agents that collaborate to accomplish specific tasks or solve complex problems. Right? Unlike like if you have a single AI agent, it can't do anything, and there is a specific limit for that. But when a lot of AI agents come together, if they are able to talk together, it's this collaborative approach can handle a lot of very complex problem or a task, right? So that's where multi-agent systems work really best. And they can do API calling, tool calling whenever it is required, so that there is very minimal human intervention, and the tasks can be easily automated because that's the goal with AI systems. And then I also talked about the characteristics of multi-agent systems, how could the collaboration, the autonomy, the specialization, the scalability, and all these things. And I also showed how the agentic workflows can be seen, right? So and the different layers like the task distribution, agent layer, tools layer, and all those things, and also, right, uh, everybody wants to know who exactly is using AI agents in real life, right? So I came up with some companies that are using AI agents like eBay, Johnson and Johnson, Moody's, this Cosentino, Deutsche Bank. So here are some of the examples, the use cases, right? At New Jersey-based Johnson and Johnson, AI agents are being used to help the healthcare giant with the chemical synthesis process in drug discovery, right? How cool is that? And AI agents are becoming key players in the research at Moody's, the New York-based financial analysis and software company, where Moody's agents are given specific instructions, personalities, and access to data and research. As a result, they can come to different conclusions, especially for complex topics like analyzing the financial fitness of a company that appears healthy but is facing geopolitical risk. So they can do a lot of research and come up with proper decision-making capabilities, give responses that which helps the companies to take further steps. And these are some of other examples like how Deutsche Bank Telecom is using, how eBay is using, how this company, the Spanish company, Cosentino is using AI agents. I want you to go through this article. I'm going to share the link and in the description of this video. So I also explained the multi-agent application example, right? Um, and the this is kind of bonus like use case of a multi-agent system. Where I recently used QAI to build different AI agents, the planning agent, the writing agent, the editing agent, fact checking agent, publishing agent, how they all come together to publish a book properly. One agent writes, does all the planning, the other agent does all the writing part, the other agent uh, does the editing part, and the next agent does the fact checking part, and at the end there is a publishing part that the publishing agent does, and they're all assigned with different tasks, and you can combine all these things with Crew AI, and you can basically build a powerful multi-agent system. So yeah, I mean, here is the video, and also one interesting thing I saw while writing this article of how I can basically build powerful LLM applications very easily so that I can automate a lot of things. The one tool or a platform that caught my eye when in my research was this tool, this platform known as Arato. So I have explained about Arato in this article or the newsletter edition. So uh, I just went ahead to see how Arato basically streamlines the building of LLM applications, right? It's really amazing. So let me explain how Arato helps you build LLM applications very easily, right? So, like I said, while doing my research on some of the platforms or tools that can help me build LLM pod applications uh, in a very simple way, that's when I found Arato.ai, and I just wanted to test it out, like I said. So I went ahead, signed up, and then signed in. This is the dashboard you will see once you sign up and sign in to Arato.ai. And then, like I said, there's a notebook that you can create, right? You can create a new notebook, or you can already use the predefined examples they already have just to test them out. So let's delete this. So they already have this personalized travel itinerary use case. Let's test out how the results work and the responses and the LLM evaluation and all that part, right? So this is the sample use case like tutorial, a personalized travel itinerary planning and follow-up summary. So this is what you will see once you click this, and here you can see the AI model or the LLM model that you can select. You can select OpenAI, Anthropic, Vertex, Azure, Bedrock, XAI. So I have selected OpenAI, GPT-4o Mini, and then the API key I just added it. Let's save this. So I saved it, and here is the system prompt that we are saying your travel assistant creating a personalized itinerary for a traveler based on the following parameters. Create a detailed itinerary that includes daily activities, suggested meal locations, and budgeting recommendations. And the user prompt is like parameters, destination, travel dates, budget, preferred activities, dietary preferences, and all that. So we will upload the data set, the sample data set that the destination that includes destination, travel dates, budget, activities, dietary preferences, and all that. Uh, and then uh, and then the follow-up summary system prompt is like based on the user travel itinerary, summarize the key activities and create a checklist for the traveler. The checklist should include items relevant to the activities, dietary needs, and travel logistics. So we will also upload this data set, and then we will see how this whole thing works. Let's run this. So we will wait for a minute or two, and then we should see the results popping up. So we will wait for that. So when we ran this experiment, this is the result we saw. We received the travel date, May 12th, May 15th, budget moderate, dietary plan, vegetarian, Paris, France, landmarks to visit, the similarity, and the response, right? For this is what we received, and this also you can also see the semantic similarity score, response word count distribution, the average latency score, and then estimated run cost in cents. And we can also run the next experiment, the follow-up summary experiment. Let's run this and then let's see what we get as a result. As you can see for the follow-up summary thing, where we said like based on the user travel itinerary, summarize the key activities and create a checklist for the traveler. The checklist should include items relevant to the activities, dietary needs, and travel logistics. When we ran this, this is the result we saw for day 4 itinerary, so day 7 itinerary, right? The similarity scores and the responses. So along with that, we can also see semantic similarity scores, response word count distribution, estimated run cost, and average latency in seconds. So this is how we can run a lot of experiments, upload your own data, and do a lot of LLM evaluation, deploy your applications, and see the results and their semantic scores and all that. So that's how I'm using Arato, and as of now, I'm really happy, and I also recommend you guys to go to Arato.ai and then test the platform to see how you can build LLM powered applications.